Alright, so by the way, this question is actually about the Pythagoras theorem. So with this as a backdrop, with Pythagoras theorem as a backdrop, so Pythagoras says you have a right angle triangle, and if this is your side A and this is your side B and this is going to be your side C, which is the longest side of the right angle triangle, then it follows this formula: a square plus b square is equal to c square. Alright, so with this as a backdrop, and I think what the question wants you to do, or what the question wants you to see, is you can see that over here is 1.3 meter, the left side, and then over here the right side is actually 1.2 meter. So actually there is a mismatch. Therefore, your point P is actually higher than your point Q. Okay, by how much? So 1.2 and 1.3, and by the way, this is the base is level. Okay, so so therefore there is a difference of 0.1 meter here, right? Which is this part. Okay, 1.3 minus 1.2, so 0.1 meter is actually how many cm? So it's 10 cm. So over here is 10 cm. Okay, and then the base, which is here, is the same as this, is 1.8 meter. That gives you 180 cm, right? Okay, so and this is a right angle triangle, this one. Okay, so now you can actually apply the Pythagoras theorem, and this is your side C. Alright, so you just plug in your A is 180 square plus the B is 10 square, therefore your C square, and then you just need to compute, and then you get your C equals to plus minus a value. Okay, so that is your the length required for from P to Q. Alright, but it says let me see, wants to attach a piece of barrier tape to with an additional 15 cm tape at each end. So therefore, besides the C, which is this part, okay, due to the requirement from the question, it needs to have an additional 15 cm of tape at each end. So this end you need another 15 cm, and then of course this end you need another 15 cm. So therefore you need an additional of 30 cm on top of the C, right? The whole thing, right? The whole thing. Okay, so therefore the answer should be C plus another 215 cm. That will be the final answer. Okay, so you have to figure it out yourself. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope this helps.